Introduction. Partners face front, join inside hands. Free hands of girls holding skirts. Those of boys are placed on waist. Pause. Waltz forward, right, 1 measure. Waltz backward left, 1 measure. Waltz forward right, 1 measure. Release hands, 3-step turn left in place and bow to audience. Figure 1. Boys stand behind partners, right shoulders towards center of set. Join both hands and stretch arms sideward. As the following steps are being done, the whole set is moving in a big circle clockwise. A. Starting with right foot, take 2 waltz step forward to measure and waltz turn right to finish in line of direction. B. Repeat A. 3 more steps finishing in circle formation with right shoulders towards center. C. Starting with right foot, take 3 mazurka steps sideward towards center in 3 measure. 3 steps in place, right, left, right. Count 1, 2, 3.
D. Repeat C away from center, starting with left foot. E. Repeat C and D. Execute the 3 steps in D to finish in 2 columns as in original position. Facing front, girls at the right side of partners.
Figure 2. Partners join inside hands, free hands of girls holding skirts, and those of boys are placed on waist. Take small steps forward in A and B below. Step right forward, count 1. Click left heel to right heel, count 2. Step left forward, count 3. B. So repeat A 3 more times. Do not step on left foot at last time. C. Drop hands. Cross turn right. Salok with left hand right overhead. D. Repeat C to left. Reverse position of arms. E. Repeat A and B starting with left foot. F. Starting with right foot, take 4 waltz steps backward to proper places. 4 forearm turns right and left alternately, free hand down at side. G. Repeat all A to F. Figure 3. Partners face each other. Join both hands, arms stretched sideward. When facing audience, girl is at the right side of partners. A. Execute two sangig steps away from audience, starting with foot away from audience to measure. 4-step turn about in place clockwise. Finish in partner's place facing opposite direction in 2 measure. B. Repeat A, starting with foot toward audience. Finish turn standing in one line with boys back toward audience. C. 3 mazurka steps going outward. 3 measure. Step sideward, outside foot, count 1. Point sideward with inside foot, count 2, 3. D. Repeat C going inward. Figure 4. Partners hold in ballroom dance position, girls facing audience and boys backs toward audience. Step A to D are done in cross design. A. Girls standing with right foot and boys with left foot. Take one redouble step sideward. B. Repeat A, starting with other foot. C. Make a quarter turn clockwise and repeat A and B. D. Repeat C 2 more times. Finish in original position. E. Girl starting with right, boy starting with left foot. Take step hop hop. Counts 1, 2, 3. 4 times. Turning clockwise once in place. All finish facing front. Girls beside partners at the right side. Drop hands. F. 1 mazurka step sideward right, 1 measure, and 3-step turn right, 1 measure. Girls hold skirts, boys place hands on waist. G. Repeat F, starting with left.